what comes to your mind when you hear toxic work culture?
माइक्रो मैनेजमेंट.
मुझे लगता है कहीं ना कहीं मुझे उस टाइप के एनवायरनमेंट में काम करने की हैबिट हो गई. एंड इफ थिंग्स आर नॉर्मल अराउंड मी देन आई फील कि आई एम डूइंग लेस.
I resigned in just 7 days.
We try to shuffle some of the workload among the other team members.
Root is asking people if they ever had to prioritize work over health and mental well-being. Is it okay if you record your answers?
Yeah, fine.
अगर मैं टॉक्सिक वर्क कल्चर के बारे में बात करूँ तो आपके दिमाग में क्या आता है?
माइक्रो मैनेजमेंट. आपको एक काम मिला है और उस काम को आप देखो, ना कि आप ये मॉनिटर करो कि आप 8 बजे आ रहे हो कि 9 बजे आ रहे हो कि 10 बजे आ रहे हो कि 11 बजे आ रहे हो.
What comes to your mind when you hear toxic work culture?
Being expected to work late hours or even on weekends.
इफ वी आर सेइंग समथिंग टू यू और तुम वो कर रहे हो, ओनली देन यू आर डेडिकेटेड एम्प्लॉय, अदरवाइज नॉट. तो दैट समटाइम आई थिंक मतलब उनका फॉल्स बिलीव है समवेयर.
Have you ever experienced it?
Yes, sometimes previous organizations.
Can you tell us?
तो मेरे साथ बहुत टाइम ऐसा हुआ कि like I have some personal things to do, like could be a trip, could be like I have to hang out with a friend or something, but all of a sudden something came up and they expect me to do on the spot without even considering what am I doing, मेरी life है कि नहीं, without
Did you do
considering
it
that. Huh?
at the point?
Yeah, like it was a startup, so like it's a small company.
Okay, so how
that-
did it affect you then?
It affected me in a way that मुझे लगता है कहीं ना कहीं मुझे उस टाइप के एनवायरनमेंट में काम करने की हैबिट हो गई. एंड इफ थिंग्स आर नॉर्मल अराउंड मी देन आई फील कि आई एम डूइंग लेस.
Is it happening now? Right.
राइट नाउ आई थिंक इट्स कंट्रोल्ड.
जब मैं CA क्वालिफाई किया, बट व्हेन आई जॉइंड it was not less than hell for me, so I resigned in just 7 days.
What happened?
It was a very bad experience. So they were to start with, I leave home at 7 a.m. in the morning and I was entering home at around 11-12 in the night, and even then they expected me to do work after reaching home. I don't know how it was possible. And within first week I had to work on Saturdays, Sundays, and it was actually a kind of sin to even think leave early at around 7-8 was considered as पाप in their language.
After that, कोई organization में वापस
हाँ,
ऐसा?
उसके बाद I went to another company जहाँ पे भी थोड़ा हद तक सिमिलर ही था. The manager was he was very micro manager kind of person, जो आपकी हर चीज़ों में घुसता था, और इंस्टेड ऑफ वर्क उसको इस चीज़ से मतलब होता था कि आप थोड़े से मतलब फ्री टाइम ना मिल जाए आपको गलती से भी ना, और आप मतलब हर चीज़ के आपने ब्रेकफास्ट में 10 की जगह 15 मिनट क्यों लगा दिए, इस तरीके से वो माइक्रो मैनेज करता था. और वो रिवेंज भी लेता था. मतलब लेट से अगर आपसे कोई मिस्टेक हो गई या आपने उसकी किसी गलत बात को पॉइंट आउट कर दिया ना, तो वो रिवेंज मोड में चला जाता था और
What he used to do?
परेशान करता था. लेट से कुछ ऐसा काम दे देगा जो आपको पता है, उसको पता है आपको आता ही नहीं है या आप बहुत नए हो ना, उसके लिए आपको ब्लेम करवाएगा. सीनियर्स को CC में रख के मेल्स खेलेगा कि हाँ भाई तूने ये नहीं किया, तूने वो नहीं किया, ऐसे करके, सो दैट अपर मैनेजमेंट में ऐसा मैसेज जाए कि ये बंदा ही बेकार है और इसकी किसी तरह नौकरी खा जाओ. सो
तो
ट्राइड.
आपको कैसे अफेक्ट किया वो फिर?
मेंटली बहुत मुश्किल था. मतलब इट्स लाइक आपको ना अपनी बॉडी को लिटरली खींचना पड़ रहा है ऑफिस जाने के लिए. आपका मन नहीं करता. एंड यू एवरी डे यू जस्ट काउंट कि वीकेंड कब आ रहा है यार, मतलब कैसे निकलेंगे ये 3-4 दिन, एंड वो सारी चीज़ें. इवन इनकी कोशिश ऐसी रहती है कि वीकेंड पे भी आपको कैसे ना कैसे करके परेशान करें. कुछ ऐसा काम दे दें जिसको ये आपको लेट से फ्राइडे को देंगे और बोलेंगे कि हमें मंडे सुबह तक चाहिए. इसका मतलब क्या, आपको वीकेंड पे काम करना है ना. दिस इज़ व्हाट दे मीन.
There was one senior of mine, and he was like, ki, why don't we talk or something? And I was like, I don't want to indulge more apart from my work. One day I just shouted. So after that, he got very angry, and then he came to me and then said, ki, ye sahi nahi tha and all, and this is not the way. And I was like, ठीक है, it was my reflex. I really want to say sorry because I shout. फिर उसके बाद क्या हुआ, next day when I came to office, one of my another senior came to me and then telling me a story कि मैं अपनी एक पिछली कंपनी में था and वहाँ पे 5 लड़के थे, एक लड़की थी, उसने कंप्लेन कर दी. तो उस कंपनी में क्या हुआ कि हमने मतलब वही HR थे, HR ने लड़की को फायर करा, 5 को डांटा और काम आगे बढ़वा लिया बिकॉज हम 5 और लोगों को ट्रेन करेंगे, इससे बेटर है कि लड़की को ही फायर कर देते हैं. सो दैट इज़ समथिंग आई वॉज नॉट एक्सपेक्टिंग एट ऑल.
ऐसी सिचुएशंस में व्हाट डू यू वांट योर ऑर्गेनाइजेशन टू डू फॉर यू?
वो उनको जाके समझाते, और मे बी बेस्ट चीज़ कि दोनों को बैठ के समझा सकते थे, राइट?
Do you have a work-life balance?
Yeah, I have clearly.
So how do you maintain it?
And I'm very particular, like by what time I would leave, and I have clearly expected that expectation with my manager, and They also know that this girl or this lady, how she wants to, how in what circumstances she can work. So they have given me that freedom.
Do you have a work-life balance?
Right now I have, yes.
How do you maintain it?
I maintain it in a way, okay, like first of all, I worked on myself, okay, so that I don't take extra time to do the work that is given to me. And other than that, I strictly consider things like in my day-to-day life, okay, if I have to do workout, I have to do it. Like it's my checklist. And now, like, I think I've made myself in a way that if I'm not doing a certain thing, that will make me feel guilty, okay, why haven't I put time in another thing? Because life is more than this, more than just doing work.
How is your organization helping you to maintain a work-life
My
balance?
organization helping me. Fortunately, our manager is flexible in these terms. So now I'm more confident in saying okay, this is my day schedule. Okay, I will give most of my time to office, but other than that, I have things to do. I've learned to say no. I would say that. And I think many people should follow it. Like you should learn to say no. Otherwise, people will pile up things on you.
How can organizations prevent such workplace toxicity?
To listen the people who are going through with it instead of ignoring. So I myself lead a team of 10 plus team member in different states, and I think it's difficult for me if I don't trust my employees and if I start doing the micromanagement in a day-to-day work life. Neither me nor my team will be able to deliver the results. So I have to give the open hand. I have to provide them a complete support and build the trust that if you are hired for this role and you can deliver it
So since you are leading a team of 10 people, how do you help your employees, to maintain a proper work-life balance?
So I don't believe on the 9 or a clock type of work culture where people should stay in the office for entire their shift. I can leave it to them that you have set roles, set deliverables. It's up to your capability, how much time you will take. Sometimes team comes that okay, I'm going beyond my bandwidth, I'm going beyond my workload. So then we discuss and then we try to shuffle some of the workload among the other team members.
There should be learning program for the managers as well. मतलब not just कि सिर्फ आप नीचे वालों के लिए रखो, people skills सिखाना भी बहुत ज़रूरी होती है. How to manage people is one of the key, I think, role for any manager. सिर्फ काम नहीं, how to manage people उसका main role होता है. तो अगर उनकी training पे भी थोड़ा सा खर्चा करें ना companies, तो it's better. And for managers, I think the best part is trust your employees.
What are the boundaries which you set at the workplace?
That I'm not available at all the times.
कॉर्पोरेट लाइफ है तो आप ये मत समझो कि भाई तू कर नहीं करेगा तो ये होगा वो होगा. मतलब आप उसको फियर नहीं दे सकते कि आप पीआईपी पे डाल दोगे, फायर कर दोगे. सो दिस कांट बी द रीजन कि ये तो फाउंडेशन.
So I think a message to all the bosses that just think about yourself when you were in a struggling age and give that comfort, that you can say the platform to your juniors. I'm sure once you start thinking from that way and once you start building that kind of relationship with among your team members, they'll be able to deliver more than your expectations. Or if not, if you keep bothering them, if you keep poking them on a single things, then they will either do just a required work or maybe not be able to even meet your expectations. So I think that's a clear message to all of them.